So I'm gonna show you really quick how you can make a collage. This app is called Video Collage. Let's open it. This is the first window that you'll see. You have 1x1, 4x3, 3x4 and 3x2. These are different sizes. The first one is square, the second one is more landscape, and this is more like portrait mode, and this is even more landscape. So in this case I'm just gonna use portrait mode because I'm gonna make an Instagram story, and my favorite template is either this one or this one. In this case I'm gonna use this one just because I used the other one in my past video. And the only downside of this app, as some other apps, is that it has some ads, and if you want to get rid of them you can just pay for the app. But I don't think if you don't pay for it you don't get any watermark, so we're good to go. So this is how it looks. I deleted the other videos because I want to start from scratch. So let's tap on the plus sign and we're gonna select a video. You gotta tap the square and then right here on the bottom and that little icon, the media icon, and then I'm gonna go to my folder, and this folder has all stories. So I'm gonna select this one right here, and that's gonna be my kind of main video. And if you wanna like place it in different position, you can tap and drag, and then you can just place it in the position that you like the most. And then I'm gonna select this area and tap the same icon again, the media icon, and I'm gonna select another video. In this case I'm gonna try with this one right here, and then we're gonna repeat the same process for the last time so we can have our collage complete. I'm just gonna use this one, but all these videos are 9x16 and they're stories. And then the other things that you can do with this app, it has like different tools, and let me show you. So the first one is like to make the corners round. I don't like them round, I'm just gonna leave them as they are right now. And the next one is to change the color. You can just tap in any color and drag. I'm just gonna leave it on white because I like it like that. And also you can pick one color which is different, like all this on the bottom, like it gives you different options. I'm just gonna leave it white again, and like as you can see I don't know how to go back to my main controls, and like to go back to the controls you can just tap on any area that is free. Just gonna tap right here and you go back to your main controls. And now I'm just gonna, all these stories have music, so I want to cancel the audio from this story, and to do that you have to tap on the story and then you'll see this control right here. Just put it all the way down and do the same thing with the next one, and I'm gonna leave this audio, and you can also increase it, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And this is gonna be the final result. And again it was kind of confusing because you don't see any icon that lets you save your project, and you're gonna do the same process as before. You can just tap right here on the free area, and then you can tap on this arrow on top, and then your project is gonna be saved. And again, you saw more ads, is because this app is free, kind of. If you want to get rid of them, you can always pay. So now we're gonna tap on save video, and it's already saved. And now this is how it looks. This is the final project. And of course, if you publish this video as it is in your Instagram stories, it's not gonna fit well. And if you wanted to fit it, you can go to InShot. Let's open it. Let's start a new project, and we're gonna tap on video, and then you can select your project, and then we're gonna go to canvas, and then we're gonna tap on 9 by 16, and boom, you have it right there. This is your Instagram story ready to go. Let's save it. And now I'm gonna show you the final result between the video that I made with video collage and this one right here, which is the right size for Instagram stories. So let's play it. And now this is the one that I made with InShot. As you can see, this one has like, it's just this size, it's not bigger than that. And now with the new video, it takes the entire screen. So So there you have it. That's how you can make a collage, easy, simple. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.
Missing someone